A lot of concern among Toma token holders. Look at this very price chart. Market is coming all the way to the downside, and this have created a lot of chaos in the market. Look at it. Market drop all the way down. The market have possibility of crashing all the way to this very listing price. And right now, is market going to crash all the way to the downside as Bitcoin is coming all the way downward? All of this in this very video. So if you are a to market holder, pay attention to this video. I'm going to dive deep into this very analysis and what you should be looking at. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for all that crypto content. If you look at the Toma token, in my last video I was talking about this very level of important support, and that if the market go below this level of important support, we're going to see the market come back down, and that is exact same thing we are seeing now on this very price action. And for those of you that is panicking, if you are holding Toma token, there is no need to panic, because even though we see the market move a little bit to the downside, market will not go to crash all the way to the downside forever. We're going to see the market come back down a little bit and then begin to move upward. And that is what you should be keeping your eye on right now. So for me, even though market move a little bit downward, it's not a call to be panic, because market will also move upward. So what you need to pay attention to right now to take a critical look at this very price chart is if we look at the 2 hours time frame. Okay, so the 2 hours time frame right here give us a more in-depth look about what the Toma token have been doing in the past. Look at it, market move upward and it began to come back down here, retracement, come back down, and right now we're seeing consolidation at this very point. Two things to watch out for on this very price chart if you are holding the Toma token is this level of important resistance right here. This very area is very important on this price chart. So after every consolidation is always a breakout in the market. So consolidation, market can break upward, that is upward on this level of resistance, or market can come back down, break this level of support as well right at this very point, and we can see this breakout all the way to the downside. And if the market break on the support, it means that the market is going to come back down into this very area of listing. This is the listing zone, okay? And market have that possibility, if it breaks on this level of support, to come back down into this very listing zone. And this is what you need to pay attention to right now. And if markets break on this level of resistance right here all the way to the upside, then we should look at market begin to recover, okay? And this is what you need to pay attention to right now on this very chart. For me, on the immediate short term, I also look at this very retracement to have come to an end. This retracement is ending at this very zone right here, and this is what I am keeping my eye on right now. Within this very price level and where the market is right now, we should expect this very retracement to end. The market will begin to move up again. And also, if you look at the length from this very area to this very close, and you look at the way the market has moved up to this very point, you can say that the market have retraced 50, 55 to 60%, okay? And from this very point all the way downward, mean the market have retraced significantly, and it means that the market have capacity of moving upward gradually again on the Toma token. And if you are holding the Toma token, there is no need to panic into 2025. Market is still going to move all the way to the upside, and that is what you need to keep your eye on as well if you are holding this very token. So market moving downward, if you are holding into 2025, should not be the reason why you should panic about this very token. Okay, hold, because if you hold, when the market begin to move upward, it will make you sell at a better price, thereby increasing your token worth that you get from airdrop. And on my immediate last video, I have a lot of comments and reaction. I want to congratulate you guys. There are people that have 1 million, 2 million token, 500,000 token, 100,000, and as the case may be. Congratulations, guys. I am very happy for you guys. And for those of you that hit it very hard, congratulations as well. And for those of you that did not do the airdrop as well, there is no need to worry. There are ongoing airdrop that you can participate on right now that also have the potential of doing very well. Check the link in the description. I will leave those airdrop in the link in the description. and jump on board and start doing it. The next price prediction I want us to look at here is the BTC USD price prediction, because if Bitcoin begins to move all the way to the upside, we are going to see Toma token begin to move upward. If you look at the Bitcoin price chart right here, it is called that market move upward, and we have this very downward movement, which is a retracement. Market have not created a new low lower than this, and what that also means is that market have capacity of moving up from this very area. And this week, I am looking at a market recovery from what we saw last week. And if you also look at what we see here, it is called that the way the market moved from this very point to this very area is very sharp and quick compared to this very retracement. A dull momentum in the bears around this very area is also a sign that we are going to see a recovery this very week on BTC USDT 2 hours chart. And you have to pay attention to this, guys, because this is very important. If you look at the 4 hour chart here, it is covered that the same thing, market move quickly upward and have been coming down gradually, which means the bears are gradually losing momentum all the way to the downside, and the bulls are going to take over very, very soon. And this is what we need to pay attention to right now as well. So this week, I am expecting a recovery on the price of Bitcoin all the way upward, okay, approaching the $98,000. This is my personal opinion right now on this very price of BTC. And as you all know, once we begin to see this price increase for Bitcoin, definitely the Toma token is also going to increase to the upside, because it's already on major exchange and liquidity is going to flow into it, thereby moving the token all the way to the upside. One important thing is, if you are still holding into 2025, it is also good to keep holding, okay? Don't sell off at the current Toma price right now, because if you do, you should probably be in loss, or it should worth nothing, or nothing that is significant, okay? A very insignificant token you get from airdrop can turn to something worthwhile if you hold it into 2025, and this is very important. So for those of us that is holding this token into 2025, keep holding. The market is going to move upward to significant point that will give you the opportunity to sell at a better price. And this is very important for all of us that is holding the Toma token and also waiting for Bitcoin to recover, so that every other altcoin is going to recover with it very, very soon. So this is very important in this very video. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. If you want to join my other airdrops, check the link in the description of this very video. Join right now, and also join our Telegram channel, the link in the description, and also in the pinned comment. It is a free group to receive crypto updates, news, and investing and day trading strategies. If you want to watch my video on the altcoin season and when it's going to start, check this video right here. I have a lot of comments about that as well, and also how to trade crypto from beginner to advanced. Check this video right here as well. It's going to help you. Thanks for supporting this channel.